Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Piktochart AI on the Piktochart website. So let's get it started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Piktochart website. And after going to the website, what we have to do, we have to create our account on the website. And after that, as you can see, you'll be able to see the Piktochart AI option here. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, you will be redirected to the AI options here. Now, simply what we have to do, we have to provide the command here, like the comparison between iPhone and Samsung. As you can see now, it's showing the examples how we can do that. For example, I'm going to write here, let's write the, now you can check out the infographics print they have provided, choose your design format, you can also choose that. Now we have to click on the generate infographics, and after clicking on the generate infographics, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating that. As you can see, for example, I'm going to choose this one here, timeline the 10 seconds, as you can see, and you will be get the result here. So as you can see now, you designs are provided here. So in this way you can use the infographic AI. If you want to go back, you can also do that. You can write whatever you want. If you want to upload your document, you can also do that. As you can see, paste your document here. You can also paste that document here. You just have to click on the generate, and it will generate whatever you want. So in this way you can use the Piktochart AI. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.